Welcome to the last question on this top 5 common question for PSLE speed. And in this scenario, we have two objects traveling opposite direction, okay, but they start at different time. Okay, so there's a bus traveling at a uniform speed. Okay, uniform speed means same speed, right? That means the speed doesn't change. This is called uniform speed. Okay, from town A to town B, that means the bus is going from A to B. Okay, and it passed a car which was traveling at a speed of 80 km per hour in the opposite direction. Okay, that means the car is going in the opposite direction, right? And they meet somewhere in the middle, right? We don't know where is it. Just say that they meet somewhere along here. Okay, and the question says that 4 hours after they have passed each other, okay, that means after 4 hours, the bus has already reached town B. Okay, that means from here to here, okay, 4 hours, the bus has already reached town B. Okay, but the car was 30 km away from town A. That means after 4 hours from the meeting point, okay, the car is at here. The car is still 30 km away from town A. Oops. Okay. The car is still at 30 km away from town A. Okay, that means the car still has some distance to go. Okay, and so what do they want? They said, okay, they said the bus took in total 9 hours for the whole journey, right? And we need to find the total distance between the two towns. Okay, that means the bus take a total of 9 hours to travel from A to B. Okay, so we know that the speed of the car is 80 km per hour, right? And the car takes 4 hours to travel from meeting point to over here. Okay, so we can find a distance from here to here, right? We simply take 4 hours times 80. Okay, hopefully by now you should realize that drawing a distance line is very, very crucial in solving this type of question, because if you can draw the line properly, alright, the question is really half solved already. Okay, so we take the 4 hours times the speed of the car. Alright, you take 80. You take 80 times 4. Okay, you get 320 km. That means the distance between here and here is 320. Okay, and 320 plus 30, you get a distance between here and here, right? Okay, from the bus from town A to the meeting point. So you take 320 plus 30, you get 350 km. Okay, the distance from here to here is 350 km. Okay, and we also know that the bus took 9 hours in total to travel from A to B, right? Okay, from here to here is 9 hours. From the meeting point to the town B is 4 hours for the bus. And so the time taken for the bus from here to reach a meeting point will be 5 hours. Okay, make sense? You take 9 minus 4, you get 5. Okay, 9 minus 4 is 5 hours. Okay, that means the bus took 5 hours to travel from A to the meeting point. Okay, and since we know that the distance from A to the meeting point is 350, we can find the speed of the bus. Okay, so the bus speed, you simply take the distance divide by the time. Alright, you will get 70 km per hour. Okay, and this is the speed of the bus. Okay, and since we also know that the bus took 9 hours to travel from A to B, and the question asks us to find the total distance, alright, so we simply take the speed of the bus times the total duration. Okay, so 70 times 9, the answer will be 630 km. Okay, this will be the distance between A and B. Okay, so I hope that after looking at these 5 common question for speed, you have a better understanding. Okay, so each scenario have their own unique method of solving a question. Okay, and so you try to practice more questions for each scenario. Okay, and in Intellicat I try to customize worksheets and questions according to each scenario and let my student practice so that they can master each and every one of them. Okay, and so one final tip is every time you see a speed question, okay, do remember to draw the distance line and mark the correct points, right? Whatever information they give you, just mark down on the distance line, and from there you can gather information to solve the question. Okay, and I hope this will help you in your PSLE. Thank you.